Look at that peacock on the roof. I'm gonna block this. Look at it. I don't know if you see that peacock on the roof. That's amazing. That's beautiful. I gotta start vlogging when I got videos. This is Gilson Vergara. This is Do My Life. Hey everyone, it is Sunday right now. I am going to the park with the family. How is everything in my life? Excuse the mess I'm in. If you haven't, please subscribe, hit the bell. I might do some giveaways in the next couple of weeks as well. I'm just pretty much settling in back into America life. I did get that promotion. If you guys been watching the show, I did get that promotion at work. That ups my salary, my income potential, as well as investment potential back home in the Philippines. So, am I in frame? Is it focused?
I mean, it's clear. We just started.
Cool. All right. So we are going to the park, Cantiague Park. Cantiague Park's a local park here in Westbury. I hope the audio is picking up right now.
Westbury or
So let's take a pan onto where we're driving. Go. I'll show you how to make some vlogs. So we're at Cantiague Park. I think this is an ice skating rink. Zoom into that. I mean, don't zoom in. Just look into it. Wow. And then the park is a very decent park. We're going to ransack somebody's area right here. We're just gonna sit there and then you take the area up here. This is a very local park for everyone to come. There's a playground there. The video is crooked, MJ. It's safe to bet that you will not get an Oscar for this. I think the area we went was back there, and it's a very local spot here. It's free if you are a Nassau resident, but if you live in Suffolk, you have to pay about $10 to come in with your family. So we are finding parking space now. Come on, Anthony, pick up the black one. Hit it to me. We forgot the lighter fluid, so as you can see, slowly fanning it. It's going, okay. Boom. Oh, see, you're getting good at it. 10 out of 10. That's how you know you have control. All you gotta do. So we're about to go home. Had a great day with my family. Playing. I'm a bit tired. I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'll finish out this video. Hey everyone, so I am back from the park. Took a quick shower. I just want to basically close out the video. I'm gonna start editing the video soon. You know, in an effort to not get YouTube burnout, which I don't want to be the guy known for like pigs and stuff like that. And I never really intended to really build a channel to the point where I'm trying to my best accumulate subscribers or views and things like that. It's just me showcasing what I do in life and, you know, documenting my journey in life. And for the people that I've been fortunate enough to meet through the show, hang out with sometimes on occasion, and the relationships I've built through the channel, which is it's really amazing. So for me, I'm gonna try to do a couple of things different. I want to try to focus on the vlogs, business talks, because you know, I'm into business. I'm trying to get in touch with my business friends to do like Google Chat or Skype and record it about, you know, just inquiring on certain businesses and everything like that, and hopefully just showcase certain businesses throughout the Philippines as well as here, and just, you know, just to pick other entrepreneurs' brains and everything like that, and hopefully help people in that way. And random reviews that I from time to time that I do. Maybe some DIYs, just like the motorcycle thing I did for a while. I do have plans to make a 3D foam board version of the house that I'm planning to build in the Philippines, so I might do that. And then the random vlogs that I do from time to time. And I'm not gonna be traveling for a while because, you know, I just got promoted to be a service manager at my job, so I'll probably be busy for a while in that situation there. So, you know, I'm gonna try my best to over excel, just try my best to do, and, you know, give it my all as far as being a service manager and everything like that, and try to just do my best with that. I am thinking about ordering stuff on Amazon to have more of a, you know, like a podcast feel type thing. I'll see how it works out. So that's pretty much a focus for the next coming months. Vlogs, business talks, random reviews, and potentially some DIYs for certain things. So hopefully you guys keep watching these videos, you know, keep subscribing. I really appreciate it. I might do a 3,000 sub giveaway, maybe a free t-shirt or something. So, you know, keep an eye out for that, and take care. If you haven't, hit that like button. I'm gonna try to get on this particular video, let's try to get 20 likes. If you can help me, I really appreciate it. Bye. Have you guys checked out that FaceApp that everyone's doing now? It seems like, you know, everyone's looking old. I gotta give you mine before I bounce. Check this out. Tell me and comment down below what you guys think about the situation. Does it look realistic or not? I don't know. Take care. Bye.